In this video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off PlayStation 4 manually without a controller. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you want to turn off your PlayStation 4 console without using a controller, then you can easily do this by following the instructions in this video. As you might be aware, the main way to power it off is by going over to the quick menu. But if you don't have a controller connected, then you can't access this because you won't be able to press the PlayStation button. So what you can do instead is use the physical power button. When you press and you hold this button down, you will hear beeps. If you hear one beep, this means that the console is now on standby, so it is essentially on a low power consumption mode, and the next time that you power it on, it should power on faster than usual, because it is just sleeping. If you hear two beeps, however, it is going to be turned off completely. So all that you have to do, in short, is to press and hold the physical power button on the console itself until you hear two beeps. So don't let go of this button until you see two beeps. This is going to differ on the model of PlayStation 4 that you have. For this model here on the screenshot, the power button is located between these strips here, and you will see the power indicator as well. So all that you have to do is press and hold this button down. Like I said before, the proper way to power it off is in the quick menu on the power category when you go to turn off PlayStation 4, but if you don't have access to a controller or even remote play, then it becomes impossible. So this is why you should use the power button. If this is also not working, then you simply have to unplug it from the wall, although it isn't recommended. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.